Winchester Middle School Wildcats. Welcome to April 1st. It is a Wednesday. Yes, it is a Wednesday. Okay, and then here is your instructions on what to do and where to find it for today. Let's start with 6th grade. 7th grade will be coming shortly. So 6th grade, again, you treat this like a checklist. You go to the website and you go to today's day, which 1st of April, and you find your class and you click on it. Okay, so today you're taking the Dealing with Disasters Language Convention test. Here's the pathway. I'll also show you. But you also need to do today's quarantine photo speech photos and complete any missing assignments and fill out this form if you want me to make the in order for me to make the changes in grade speed. Okay, so let's go to that location. Again, I recommend that you write down in all your classes, use your planner, have it organized so that nothing sneaks up on you and you don't have to do the mental gymnastics in order to remember everything. The paper can be your second brain. All right, check, going on. You are going to 6th grade, dealing with disaster. Kaya, please don't press that, mommy's recording. Then we go down to assessments and tests, and you're working with the, let's see, I forgot, language conventions test, this one. All right, so essentially this was last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday. So language conventions, you will need to print this. I recommend printing it or at least open it first because all the questions come from this reading. And if you don't look at this, then you don't have the context in order to answer the questions. There you go. And again, it's like a couple of multiple choice questions inside here. All right, 7th grade, let's do you. We have, let me go to a 7th grade class. Again, same format. You treat this like a checklist. You go to the website. You find today's day. You click on your class and you're taking the Risk and Exploration Language Convention test. Here's the pathway. You also to do today's quarantine photo speech slide. And if you have any missing assignments, fill out this Google Forms to do it. If you don't have any missing assignments, you don't have to fill out the form. And if you haven't done the missing assignments yet, you don't have to fill out the form. It's only for when I make the changes in grade speed. A couple of students send me assignments that are missing, but they didn't do it. So they sent me a form saying change it in grade speed, but there was no grade to put in. So that's moot. All right. Don't know what moot is? Google it. You're on the computer. All right, so yes, then here's the pathway. You go to, for 7th grade, after we've checked the website, we go to Risk and Exploration, we go to Assessments and Tests, and we go down to Revising and Editing. Again, you must print and open this because all of the questions come from this passage, and I recommend printing it or splitting your screen and opening two Schoologies where you have the digital on one side and the quiz on the other side, just so that you have it there. You're not clicking and flipping back and forth and back and forth. And then you take that. All right, fantastic. Now, here are some explanations on the Audible assignment. A student didn't know that I had provided all of a library of Audible books for them. It's something you're going to turn in, so you find it here. I also sent it to your Gmail in the email labeled like fixed links or something like that. But everything in Schoology is now also fixed, so if you're working on the Audible book report, whoa, it's right there. It takes you to the website. You cannot do Little Listeners, you cannot do elementary, but anything from there you may do. And of course you listen to it, and then you are to, if you chose a nonfiction, you fill out this form, and if you chose a story, a narrative, you fill out this form and you submit it here. You're turning this in tomorrow. You're just telling me I chose this book. It's just so that you have a book, so that I know that sometimes the most difficult thing is to make a choice, but you have a choice, and then that's what you're going to listen to and then do the book report on. It will be due April 12th. Still, even though we will not be conjoining physical school after spring break. We're still going to be doing digital school. Please don't think of digital school as a vacation. You are still in school. It's just digital school. All right, and quarter 3 closes on Friday. Everything missing, everything needs to be turned in by Thursday because the grades and the report cards are gonna go out. So make those changes. I'm in this Google Meet until 11:15, and I miss you guys. Have a happy quarantine.